Yes,
paint?
we're going to apply the milk paint now
Okay.
because we have our piece that we put crackle on already. So milk paint is powder. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's actually made with milk. It comes in a powder form. Oh, thank you, dear. Comes in a powder form, and you mix it with water. And you mix it little by little. So I just, you know, add a little bit more. And then if it's too thick, I add a little bit of water. And you just keep mixing it until it's at the consistency that you like. Because milk paint can be as thin as a water-based varnish, or a water-based stain, sorry, or as thick as paint.
Okay.
And I have this pretty thick right now. Well, I have it thick like there. Does that tell you how thick it is? It's not quite, it's not runny, let's say. Okay.
And you didn't use the whole package of paint?
No.
You only used a little?
Yeah, I use a little bit at a time. Now we package it in a jar because this amount of paint will fill this jar to a paint consistency.
And why isn't it liquid? Why is it powder?
It's powder because it's made with real milk. Milk and lime. So it would, when you mix it, you should use it right away or else it'll go rancid.
Rancid. Okay,
Just
we
a
don't want
little
that. All right.
Now I've also found that when you mix it the day before and you put it in the fridge, it allows all the little particles to break up just a little bit more. Because sometimes you'll find you have lumps. Don't get upset if you have lumps. Lumps are fine. So with crackle, I'm going to put this right over the crackle.
Dried
It's dried. It's dried. You want to make sure it's dried. This will activate it to rework. So you don't want to work this in too much. You want to be able to go on with full strokes as quickly as you can and let it dry.
And then that will activate the crackle? As it's
Now
drying?
it will activate the crackle. Yep.
Okay.
I don't know if you can actually. Do you want to watch paint dry? No. We'll be right back with it dry.
When it's fun.
I know, it is fun. It is fun. When you start to see it crackle, it's kind of neat.
Okay.